I want to apologize for my offense sa pinost ko. Na-realize ko na mali yung ginawa ko.
Nadala
So,
ka ba?
kaya ako tinanggal. But at the time, there was ang daming rumors na kumakalat.
Like, what kind of rumor?
Like sex videos, things like that. I was just really upset. Like, my friends, my family, fans asked me if it's true. And the worst part is, I can't defend myself.
Okay.
I was just really upset. I was really hurt. And the way I reacted was wrong. I know that. But I really do appreciate everything the press does for me. It's just bad choice of words.
Okay.
Yeah, I made a mistake. It won't happen again.
Nadine, anong support yung binibigay mo kay James when he goes through that kind of...
Sometimes I give him a pep talk. Well, with that naman po kasi parang na-realize niya naman his mistake. So, parang it takes a man, di ba, to realize his mistake and na mag-apologize. So, yun po. When he asks for advices naman, parang kinakwentuhan ko naman siya. I mean, nagbibigay naman ako ng advices. So, yun po.
Sometimes I forget
Kasi
my position, so
it happened so fast po kasi na parang hindi pa nagsisink in sa amin parehas na ay, nandun na pa. Kasi sobrang bilis po, even sa akin minsan. Parang pagkasama ko yung family ko, magmamahal lang ako. Parang, oo nga pala, parang nangyari dahil ng part and everything else. So, yun po.
but it was never my intention to offend good people of the press. It was more targeted at certain people, so I guess just bad choice of words. And I'm sorry for that.